The new generation of MEPass is finally out. Let's see together what's new and how to unlock MEPass 3.0. Beyond a sleek new interface and a smoother navigation, MEPass 3.0 introduced enhanced security settings and a more personalized experience. You can now customize your profile, showcase your collections, and manage your tokens and NFTs directly within the app. Daily check-ins and chain-based reward multipliers are now live, exclusively for MEPass 3.0 users. On the MEPass homepage, click Claim Rewards. Here you can view your monthly check-in details and click Check-in today. Then add the missing phrase to our slogan. After confirming and entering your password, you'll have successfully completed your daily check-in. The first check-in is gas-free and earns 0.0001 MEH. With consecutive check-ins, the daily reward increases by 0.0001 MEH, up to a maximum of 0.003 MEH per day. Missed a day? Don't worry. You can pay a small fee to make up missed check-ins within 7 days and maintain your streak. Also, if you join any MetaEarth node community for the first time, you'll receive an extra 0.01 MEH. Friend referrals rewards and the 0.01 MEH monthly airdrop are still active as usual. You can access that from the floating window on the right side of the app. Do you want to grow even more rewards through staking? On the homepage of MEPass, choose between flexible 12.5 API and fixed staking terms. For example, you can select a 360-day fixed term, which offers up to 25% APY. Other fixed terms are also available, making this a great opportunity for stable token growth. With MetaEarth pushing for real interoperability, you can now seamlessly transfer assets between the MEHub and RollApp, all under the same address. But here's what really matters about this upgrade. With MEPass 3.0, your voice finally counts. MetaEarth is officially becoming a DAO, and you'll be able to follow proposals and vote on governance decisions on real time. Just click on the top left of your profile and explore the voting governance section to learn more. So, how do you unlock all of these new features? Just complete the full MEID verification inside the MetaEarth app. After downloading the app, set up your account and wallet, then start the standard MEID process. You'll then be guided through extra multi-factor verification, including a face match with your ID and device or behavior-based checks. And there's more. You'll also gain access to new upcoming social campaigns, where you can earn extra MEH by completing social tasks. Upgrade the app now, explore the new features, and start earning today. App download link in the description as usual.